To create an eBay listing with multiple options, start by logging into your eBay account and clicking on the Sell button. Select the type of listing you want to create, such as a fixed price listing, and choose the category for your item. Enter the title and description of your item, including any relevant keywords that buyers might use when searching for your product. When adding variations, click on the Variations drop-down menu and select the type of variation you want to offer, such as size, color, or material. Create a name for each variation and add the specific details for each option, including the price, weight, and image. You can add up to 5 variations for each listing. Use the variation-specific details to offer different prices or weights for each option, and use the variation images to show the different variations of your item. When setting prices for your variations, keep in mind that the prices can vary depending on the specific option. For example, a larger size or a more expensive material may cost more than a smaller size or less expensive material. Once you have added all of your variations, review your listing to make sure everything is accurate and complete. Make sure to include clear and concise descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing to attract buyers and increase sales. It is also important to follow eBay's policies and guidelines when creating listings with multiple options. Make sure to comply with all applicable laws and regulations, and provide excellent customer service to your buyers. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective eBay listings with multiple options that attract buyers and drive sales. Remember to stay organized, be detailed, and provide excellent customer service to succeed on eBay.